Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to easy colorize the hairstyle in Photoshop. Let's start. At first click and drag to duplicate the layer. Select Object Selection tool. Then choose Lasso mode. And select the hair. OK, when it's selected, go to Select, and choose Select and Mask. Now select Refine Edge Brush tool, increase the size, and brush to refine all the hairs. If you're satisfied, click OK to done. OK, that's well. Now click here to add a mask on the layer. Select the layer, and create a new layer. Change its mode from normal to color. Then select Gradient tool. Click here to select the style. Make a gradient like this, and click OK. Select the radial gradient. Then click and drag. It looks good. Right-click on the layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now you can apply again as you want. OK, that's well. Select the layer, and click to add a mask on the layer. Now select Brush tool. Select the black color. Zoom in here, and decrease the brush size. Then set the opacity to 30%, and brush here to remove unwanted area. Now increase the brush opacity to 100%. And remove these unwanted areas. It looks good. This is the gradient color on the hair. It applied only on hairs. And this is the result. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.